What's that, Amy?
That's what?
What do you have?
And I have what?
What are you getting down there?
Brew.
Show me. Who's Brew? Come here.
Frog.
Is he your friend?
Uh-huh.
Where does he like to sit? On your head? Let me see. There's Brew. Look at me. You love froggies? Okay, take them off. What are you going to do with them now? Go swimming? Oh.
It's
Oh,
okay.
dear.
I'll get him.
Oh.
Mom, I'll make sure he doesn't jump at you. I got him.
Oh.
Come here, Brew.
How come he's named Brew?
Because he's a frog.
Yeah.